this lesson, we'll learn how to create an AMI from one of our instances. I choose my first instance. We copy the public IP address to connect to it in SSH. Once connected, I switch to the user. I update the system. I install my web server. Once the web server is installed, to make sure it works, I start it. As the service starts, we have to make sure that it will restart the next time it's used. To do so, we have to activate it. Once done, I'll create a custom home page that I'll save in HTML. To test the local operation of the machine, we'll do a localhost curl on the port 80. The idea is to create an image that already has our web server and our custom page. To do this, we'll check that our server is accessible from the web. We'll get the new IP address. As we connect, we find ourselves facing a timeout. This is normal given that the security group allows us to communicate only on the port 22. We then modify the rules and add a new one for HTTP. If we return to our browser and relaunch the page, the desired message appears. I have created my server and it has a patch installed and a custom message. As I explained to you, the idea is to create an image. For that, we'll return to our instance, make a right click. We choose create an image, which we'll call my first AMI. I write in the description image that installs and activates a patch. One of the important elements is the hard disk. It is on this one that we will save our image. We then create our image. It appears as being in the process of being created. Now that the AMI has been created, when we click on it, several options appear. We can copy our AMI. As I explained earlier, we can't move AMI to another region, but we can copy it to another region. We can also set the permission on this image, either public or private. We can allow another AWS account to connect to it. So we'll launch our instance from this AMI. We select a T2 micro. We confirm. Regarding the security groups, we will select the security group that has been previously set. We then launch the instance with our key pair. Since it's being launched, we go back to our display panel. We can see that this one is starting. Now that it is installed, we can connect to it for its public address. The address you see here is the one of the first server with which we created the image. If we press the address, as you see, we have the desired message created from the image of one of the instances. And that's it for today.